Hello everyone, it's Kathey. Welcome to my channel, Kathey's Plan, and welcome to another video. I hope that you guys are doing well, still staying safe. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you get some ideas or you get some inspiration, tell me about it down in the comments. Also, please share and subscribe. Today, guys, we are going to be decorating my August monthly. August is my daughter's birthday, and her favorite color is teal. We're going to go with this empowerment sticker book. This sticker book is that old school happy planner vibe, the kind of happy planner that I fell in love with. It's from 2018. There's so many different empowerment stickers, different ranges of floral colors. Like this is the happy planner that I love, and I really wish they would go back to this type of designing. So those are the main stickers that I'm going to use from the empowerment sticker book, and I'm going to go with these stickers from Love Posh Neutral Florals. Initially, when I started this, I wanted to do a complete border around all the pages. Quickly realized that I didn't have enough stickers to do that, so I had to improvise. Starting out with this corner sticker, just matching it up as best as I could. And I'm going to cover up the little bit that is not completely connected with this sticker that says, "Be that girl who smiles politely when someone looks at her." We're going to move up to the top of the page, and here is another issue that I had. I couldn't bring that sticker up as much because I didn't want to cover August 2026, because for my monthly, I tried to write down a little something from each day. And if I would have brought that sticker all the way up, I would have known it was August 2026, but it just wasn't going to do what I wanted to do. So we just started over. And I'm going to go in at that top left corner with a little small flower sticker and put in my circle sticker for whatever reason that registers to me as the sun, and that says, "You are powerful, beautiful, brilliant, and brave." And I'm going to finish going across with different stickers that I'm going to cut and make them fit across the top of the page. I don't know if I mentioned it, guys, but teal is my daughter's favorite color. I can't go into detail discussing what we're going to do for her birthday, just in case she watches this video, and this is prior to. So I'm just, like I said, fitting in different floral pieces to cover up that top to make it seem like it is a bordered design. Now this bottom section here was a little bit difficult to fill out. I know I'm flipping through this sticker book fast, but as you guys can see, there are so many different elements that are inside of one sticker book. Happy Planner has gotten away from that, and I really don't like it. But okay, enough of my HP rant. So the sticker that is actually on her birthday, that sticker reads, "Be that girl who shows up and never gives up." And that is the person that she is. And I'm just finding something to cover up that discrepancy right there on that end. So these coffee stickers are perfect because not only do I love coffee, she loves it as well. She has sort of gotten away from it because it bothers her stomach, but she will drink a cup with me every now and then. And I need to put down some black because there's so many different colors. Not that I have anything going on those days. I'm just filling up some space. And when I put in my boxes, I like to do a box per row if I can. So I try to put them down as close as to the very beginning of the decoration as possible, so I know where I'm at. Other than her birthday, I don't have anything planned for that day. I don't have anything else planned for the month. So the sticker that I'm setting up for this very top row, it reads, "Be that girl who says something positive when everyone else is complaining." And my daughter is absolutely that person. She's very optimistic, and I love that about her. So to just tie in the gold that is in some of the stickers, I went with this sticker here that says stick with the people who pull the magic out of you and not the madness. Now I'm just finding little tidbits to put where the sticker and the quote don't actually meet, adding in a couple pieces of washi, and I think that will be it. I kept this minimal, I believe. So I hope you guys got some inspiration. I hope you got some ideas. If so, you already know. Tell me in the comments, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video.